Hi all. Let's do the very first step of checking if we already have the incidents available in our database. So I will right click and I will run this script called get incidents list. So it's giving me error because there is no incident in the database. So what I'll do is this is the Flask app that we have. Okay. So first I will go and I will run this Flask app. So the Flask app is running now. So let's try and create one incident from another script that's called create incident. So if you see here, then we have to give the user inputs for entering the short details, category of the incident, description of the incident, plus when we will query the incident, it's also gonna give us the ID of the incident. Assignee, for now, it would be blank, but we can define actually which person we want to assign this incident to. And then this reference is going to be like a domain link where you can go and you can refer to that particular alert or particular incident that you're receiving. So let's create our first incident. So if you will see here, it's first asking for short details. So let's say brute force attempt check, call it brute force Windows. We are receiving high number of alerts from LAP TTY test machine for event code 4625. So it says incident created. Let's try to create one more. Let's call it test TTY. Category is testing. We are running the incident check. First time demo. Okay. So it says incident created. And if you see error creating incident, which means either you don't have the database existing, or you don't have the Flask app running in, or it can be some other code specific issues as well. Now let's go and query the incidents that we have created. Okay. So if you will see here, this is the data that we are getting. Assignee is null because that's how we have set it up. If you go to incident management PY, um, you would see that I'm not asking the assignee in create incident script. Assignee is something that we want to keep it on the backend side only. So I mean I have to still build it up on this, but right now this is what we have. So if you look at it, it's giving me the category that we had selected, then the description that we have mentioned. ID is automatically generated, um, and then you have the reference ID. So I'm calling it INC. That's a condition which is mentioned in the incident management. And these numbers are the random numbers that I'm generating using this function. You can also, if you want strings, you can also add it here. So it will give you strings plus some random numbers. Now the status is open because we have to change the status of the ticket to closed. We have to still work on this part, is still under progress, but this is how it looks like as of now. Then the title, which is the short description, and same goes for the second one that we had tested. But this will have a separate INC number. So yeah, so my plan is to extend it furthermore, to have dashboard, user specific dashboard, to be able to extract it out in the CSV file, and then so looking forward to your contribution. Thank you.